Wisdom begins in wonder. Warm welcome, my dear students. Today you are going to learn Unit 2 Complete Notes. Unit 2 My Native Place. First prose, Trip to my grandparents' village. If you have any doubts in this lesson, please go through the videos. Answer the following questions. Book back, page number 106. So these are book back question answers. How did Santosh record his diary? Santosh recorded his diary using his mother's phone. Name some of the activities that the village children were doing on their vacation. Milking the cows, breaking groundnut pods and piling them, playing with tire and a stick are some of the activities that the village children were doing on their vacation. Why did Santosh forget to watch television or play video games? Santosh's trip was so enjoyable to him, so he forgot to watch television or to play video games. So totally 6 questions are there. Fourth question. Did Santosh enjoy his morning walk? How do you know? Yes, Santosh enjoyed his morning walk. He enjoyed the cool breeze and he also felt that the air was also filled with the sweet sound of birds. So listen carefully, students, while reading. How did Santosh spend his time when he went to the river? As he could not swim, he sat on a big smooth rock and watched his friends swim like experts. He saw the pebbles in the riverbed and colorful fish swim by. How does Santosh know that the river is clean? The river is clean as Santosh could see the pebbles in the riverbed and colorful fish swim by. So children, if you have separate note for English, you can write these question and answers in your note. So in the previous class itself, I have given you Unit 1 complete notes. Even that also you have to write in that note. If you don't have that note, buy a note for English and write these question answers in that note. Unit 2 Poetry, Farmer's Friend. So this is also book back question answers. How do we see the earthworm often? We see the earthworm often as filth. Why does it gives to the farmer? It gives the farmer, what does it gives to the farmer? It gives the farmer a reward of wealth. Why don't we use chemicals? Because it will harm the earthworm. How do we work? We work without thinking anyone to harm. So only 4 questions are there in the poetry. Unit 2 Supplementary, the farmer and his daughters. So listen carefully, students. What did the father give to all daughters? The father gave a bag of millet to all the daughters. What did the first daughter do? The first daughter fed the grains to flock of birds. How did the second daughter use the grains? The second daughter mixed the grains with other grains kept for community food service. How did the third daughter use the grain? The third daughter sowed the grains. Who is the wisest of all? The third daughter is the wisest of all. So children, Follow my instruction. Take a note and write these question answers in your note neatly. After writing, learn one by one. So thank you children. See you all in next video. Until then, bye from Swati.